Alright guys, we're on the way now to go pick up a will it start car, an 83 Camaro Crossfire engine that has been converted apparently to carburetor. So it ran when it parked about a year ago here, so we can see if we can get it started and maybe drive it home. We're on the way now to go pick it up. We'll see how it comes out. Well, here we are, guys. This is not this Camaro, but this one. It's 83 Z28. It does have the Crossfire engine. Got something going on with the window here. So let's go ahead and see if we can't get her started. They said it's been sitting for a little bit, but all the tires are flat. Got a tree branch coming up to it. Seems pretty solid. Oh, these tires are gone, huh? What do you think under there, buddy? Lift it up. Is there a hood prop?
Nah, it's probably.
Careful with it. Boy, the hood's coming on apart. Hold on, careful with it.
It is.
Don't tear a hood up. No hood prop there. I don't see one on the side over there either. All right, we'll set it down for now.
Here, don't close all the way either.
Missing door panel here. Unless it's in the back there. Windshield's good. All the windows seem good. It's not in the worst shape inside of here.
I mean, it looks pretty nice on the inside.
And I'm sure, I didn't look, but I'm sure the battery's either dead or not hooked up. Yeah. Alright, oh, no headliner either. Let's open the back and see what we got back there. Here you go, cameraman. I don't even remember how to open it. It's been a while since I opened one of these.
Might be a button on the inside.
Is there a place to open it here? Oh, it's missing. Lock cylinder.
That'd
be a way to open it.
That's a cool way to open it, though.
Yeah. No rust or anything to speak of. That's good.
Yeah. Like I said, it looks pretty nice on the inside. I mean, compared to the outside.
I know. Just looks like that. But,
needs a new paint job.
yeah, all the rockers and everything seem pretty good.
And tires are useless.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get it started before we worry about pushing air in tire.
Yeah. Might have to bring it out here.
Here's a hood prop.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
Might need to bring a trailer out here if we want to take it out here. Or take it out of here.
No, we're going to try to drive that.
Oh, yeah. You want to drive this?
Oh, yeah.
Man.
One of this. See if we can't do it. Alright. She seems pretty stable there. What do you think?
Yeah, totally.
Alright. Yeah, that's a
Okay.
good way to hook the battery up, right?
Shoot. That doesn't look hooked up to me.
No, I would say not. We got this stuff going on here. What kind of carb is this even? Got a plug there, plug there. Oh yeah, that looks real good.
vibes off of this.
This old car.
Yeah, it's been sitting here for a while.
So hopefully the cover's in the back. This, boy, that tank, I'm sure that'll hold some coolant. Oh, it's got some coolant in it, look. Boy, that's
There you
good.
go.
That's good right there, buddy.
This was perfectly fine.
Yeah, I'm sure his battery's dead.
This is washer fluid.
Yeah. I'm sure this battery's dead, even if it can't be shut down. I've got to touch it over there. If I can bring any bolts, I ain't thinking nothing about that. Electric windows?
Definitely not going to get this fixed today.
Oh. Well, hold on, buddy. Don't count it out yet.
What are we going to do, drive on these?
Yeah, we'll put some air in them and drive.
We got something to put air in them? Didn't even know we brought nothing like that.
Yeah, the jump box has everything. Alright. I guess I'm going to try to start it, even though I need some bolts to put in that battery. Yeah.
You bring the extra blinker fluid?
No, they bring any blinker fluid. Well, I'll tell you what, the battery might not be good. We'll go ahead and pop this thing out over here.
Alright.
We'll just hook our lead straight up to this.
Oh yeah, that's not dangerous.
Perfectly fine. Alright, so.
Oh, that's...
Did we get some smoke?
Yes.
Yeah,
Sparked and smoke.
You got it hooked up right, don't it? Hold on before we get too far. No? Of course. Black is a negative. Boy, what's wrong with that car? Huh? Oh, got some spark going out over there. Let's see before we get too far. That's a negative. Right, going straight to the ground here. Got some kind of positive here, and yeah, that's positive there. So that is the positive. Good. That's pretty high. I'm thinking that's probably not a great ground here. Let's see.
What in the world does that go to?
The heater core. Heater
Oh
over
yeah,
there.
it's completely disconnected.
Boy, boy, boy. Well, I think the question of will it start is no. But we're going to try it again. If I can get to turn over something, we can go from there.
Definitely be a project.
Well, yeah, I'd say so.
If we can get it running even.
I can hook it straight up to the ground they got there. So if you're going through the wire. I don't really like that, but...
Nothing.
Yeah.
Not even any sparks anymore.
12.6. Maybe we gotta hook it to the wire. Now. Okay. Bit.
Ah.
Did this change when I try to start?
I wasn't looking at that.
Okay, I just won't ever see it. Let's see, vacuum line. Make sure the bugger's plugged in there. Okay, let's try it again. Kind of watch that for me too.
Alright, I'll make sure to watch the numbers.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, we got sparks. Going to 9s and 8s.
It's getting hot over
And it's smoking. Ooh, look at that. There's a little number right here.
That's good stuff.
It's going to 9s and 8s.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's good. So, how does that get? And I'm gonna say that's probably not our best ground. Let's see if I could use this straight on.
Watch the numbers again. Mostly getting 9s.
At least we turn it over there.
Yeah. Getting some spinning in there. Smells weird.
Yeah, I said it's getting hot. There's plastic on there.
What's that you spraying on there?
There's some old starter fluid.
Starter fluid. Old starter fluid. Yeah, I'm ready. Ooh. Start there. It's dripping that starter fluid.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's try again.
Starter fluid smelly.
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa.
Got some stuff there.
Yeah. Staying right about 8.
Good. Good jump box.
Yeah. Oh, that is smoke. Not surprised there was fire.
Yeah.
Burning starter fluid.
Yeah, these
Don't
things
smell
look like
too
they're
great.
opening real good. What do you think?
I mean, they look like they're opening. Are they supposed to do that?
Yeah, they're supposed to open. Like this thing right here. It's supposed to open them. Little butterfly.
Huh.
Yeah. I think we have to get a new carburetor.
Yeah. Oh. Like I said, this is definitely going to be a project. It's loud. It still smells bad.
Yeah. I'm saying need a whole new carburetor. I don't think that's rebuildable. I mean, it might be rebuildable, but that's pretty rough shape. Plunger's gone. What's going on, Mark?
Not much.
Is this a Rochester? Yeah. Better than the Crossfire, I guess. But
I suppose. Got an issue though where it's not wanting to let fuel get past that primary inlet right here hardly.
I got you.
And as you can see, it's already blowing again.
Let's see if we can get this moving a little bit.
It usually moves whenever you crank it. So it's all vacuum operated.
Right, right. Yeah, I was trying to crank it. It wasn't doing nothing for me. But
The only way we were getting it to run
yeah,
is pouring gas right down the barrel.
wouldn't stay running.
No. Because it's not letting the fuel come up here. If you undo this, you can get fuel up to this point.
Yep.
The filter's good, but it's not letting fuel get past. Typically what happens on these Rochesters, the bottom plate wears out from the needles.
Rochester Crossfire says right on the side there. Yeah.
Both of them. That carb junked out. I tested the fuel pump out. That's what we thought it was. You're getting fuel. It's the carburetor. Because mine started doing the same thing not a month later.
Yeah.
That's why I've got the Edelbrock on my Camaro.
Oh yeah, and that's probably wasn't any good. Just go buy Edelbrock. I've got some Hollies, but I think they're gonna be too big for this car. That's a little 305.
Is it a 305?
It looks like 305 to me.
I say I never looked at the casting numbers on it.
Yeah. Well, it looks like the original engine. They just replaced the intake so that they could put the carburetor on instead of the Crossfire.
I never checked out the motor on that end. I do know that pretty much every rubber gasket in it needs to be.
I'm sure.
There's a tarp underneath it.
Well, let's give it a little bit squirt. See if we can't get to do just one more little for us.
Smoking it up. Brown. Yep.
Spartan leaves out of there.
Well, we got it doing something. I'm happy enough with that, I guess.
Yeah. Other than the fuel,
Yeah, we leaking there.
and the oil, you know, it does all right. And I put that carb back in a little loose. It's probably not real tight.
All right.
And it's probably why it done that.
Well, I guess instead of getting it started, we're just gonna have it towed to the house. Then we'll see if we can get it started. Got to do some carburetor adjust. It's leaking fuel and stuff. I just didn't have the tools with me. So here we go. Alright guys, let's do a quick channel update. We got this 2012 Chevy Colorado. We are currently cleaning up and getting ready. It's almost there. We have the wife's car. We have to take and clean the sunroof drains in because it's draining into the floorboard. We have this truck, which you guys haven't been introduced to, is a 1982 F-150. It's already sold, waiting on the carburetor to come in. We'll clean it up. We still have this 05 Jeep Cherokee that we need to straighten up a little bit to get the front clip on and then get painted. We have this car, which is actually going to be my son's first car. It's got a lot of work to do to it, but it's a 1983 Z28 Camaro. Over here we have the 02 F-150 Super Crew that is sold. I'm going to finish that up. It's almost done now. The daughter's car, which we have been working on, got the radio in. Still have some more stuff to do to it. We have the 06 Jeep Wrangler. We had to put a power steering line on and go from there. We have the 84 GMC Jimmy, which is currently up for sale. We have to clean up and get ready. Then we have the 07 Dodge Ram with a Hemi that we will be cleaning up and putting a white pinstripe on. It's already sold as well, actually, but they want a white pinstripe down the side of it. So we'll clean it up, get some buff on this paint here, and it'll be ready to sell too. So that's a quick update, guys. Thanks.